In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with Square. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Xero account connected to Square so your sales and payments can flow smoothly into your books. Make sure you're signed into Xero with the right organization and that you have the permissions to connect apps. It also helps to have your Square login details handy so you can move through the setup without interruption. Start in Xero. Look for the grid icon, sometimes called the app launcher. It's typically near the top of your Xero screen. Click that to open the panel that gives you quick access to Xero's add-ons and integrations. From there, choose Open Xero App Store. This takes you to the marketplace where you can find and install apps that connect with your Xero organization. If you see region options, just continue with the store that matches your business location. In the App Store, use the search bar and type the Square. Keep your typing simple. Just the word Square is enough. Xero will return a list of results. You're looking for the official Square listing that integrates with Xero. Select the Square app from the results to open its detail page. Here, you can review what the integration does, what data is shared, and any notes about pricing or free tiers. It's a good moment to scan the permissions and make sure the app meets your needs. When you're ready, click Get this app. Xero will guide you into the connection flow and may redirect you to a Square branded page to continue. Don't worry, that's expected. On the Square page, choose Get Started. This begins the secure linking process between Square and Xero. You might see a brief summary of what will sync, such as payments or sales summaries, and you can proceed when you're comfortable. If you already have a Square account, select Sign In and enter your credentials to authenticate. Once you're signed in, Square will recognize your account and continue the setup so it can talk to Xero. If you manage multiple Square locations, be ready to pick the right one for this organization and confirm any prompts that clarify what data will be shared. After you finish these steps, the connection initializes. Give it a moment for the first sync to start. Back in Xero, you should soon see Square data available for reconciliation. If something doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh usually helps. Remember to review your bank accounts and tracking categories in Xero so the incoming Square data lands exactly where you want it. That's it. Your Xero and Square integration is now underway.